it has been one of the best decisions I've made in my life to join the group of healers through HOW, HOW, because as I was starting my new business in energy healing, I found a great support network in this group of healers, and probably some of the same setbacks that I've had, they've already gone through. So asking them for advice has been key in me developing my energy healing practice for sure. It's just a wonderful community for support. It's very loving. It sets itself aside from just a mere Facebook group, because you can really feel the contact. You can really feel the community. You can really feel them being close to you, even if we're not physically close in most cases, because we have healers from all over the world. Every time that we meet, it's like being on the same room, having a chat. So that's a great feeling, and that's something that it's really invaluable for me.
I'm really, really enjoying it. Yeah, I feel as though it has enhanced my practice. It's given me the confidence, talk with the clients even better, you know, with more clarity of how to move forward with their needs.
I absolutely love it. I've been a member since HOW got established 3 years ago. I just think that it's just incredible value. Oh geez, where do I even start? From business clearing to marketing my business, being a successful healer, great questions to ask about yourself as a practitioner, what's getting in the way, great questions and insight into healing your clients. And it's just full of gems. I love it. I look forward to it every 2 weeks. Anybody that's a practitioner should actually, you know, sign up and be a member, because it's just well worth it.
I absolutely love my membership, to the point where when the webinars are taking place and the mastermind group afterwards, I don't get to bed until gone 2 o'clock in the morning. So, you know, I value it so much that I stay up. Each and every webinar has had so many nuggets of wisdom. But the one aha moment that springs to mind now is the dynamic business clearing webinar. I think it was webinar 66. I had been used to obviously working on people and places and animals and environments, but I had never actually thought of the business as an extension of me that could be cleared. So that was just there's so many revelations. Chris and Denny and Ruth, you're just such amazing healers, and you're just so supportive. You know, it's to be honest, I don't think there are words that would justify how amazing, you know, those mentor sessions are. Don't hesitate, you know, even going in at the basic membership, oh my gosh, the wisdom and the value that you'll get, not just on a personal level, but, you know, professional, and the support and, you know, the community, even the Facebook community, there is so much love and support there. I would say don't hesitate. You know, it really, really is invaluable.